We'll guide you through how to automate RSS feeds with Zapier. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Zapier.com, log in to your account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once you're in the Zapier dashboard, click on the Create Zap button, which you'll find in the top right corner. In the new page that opens, you'll see a section called Trigger. Here, you'll need to type RSS by Zapier in the search bar and select it. Next, choose the trigger event, New Item in Feed. This means whenever a new item is added to your RSS feed, Zapier will trigger the automation. Click Continue and you'll be prompted to enter the URL of your RSS feed. Make sure it's a valid feed URL and click Continue again. Zapier will now test your RSS feed to ensure everything is set up correctly. After a successful test, it's time to set up the action part of the Zap. Choose an app where you want the RSS feed updates to be sent. For instance, you can select Gmail if you want to receive email notifications. Select the action event, such as Send Email, and click Continue. Now you'll need to connect your Gmail account, authorize Zapier to access it, and set up the email template with the information you want to receive. Once everything's configured, click Continue and perform a test to make sure the automation works as expected. If the test is successful, give your Zap a name and turn it on. Now, every time there's a new item in your RSS feed, Zapier will automatically send you an email. This is a great way to stay updated without constantly checking the feed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.